Hello everyone, how are you doing? Today I will be showing you another Python tutorial. It's very simple and it will show you how to make Python print the current date and time. First of all, we have to import date time. Then we have to define time. So time equals date time dot date time dot now. And now let's make Python print. So print today's date and time. So we have to write %s and then %time, and let's run and see if it works to be sure. Okay, so it worked. Today's date and time, and it's 2020 November 16th 9 o'clock 14 minutes and 12 seconds. I'm not sure what this is. I think it's some milliseconds, but there's no way to get rid of it. You can see here that it's true. So now let's make Python only print the date. Okay, print today's date. And I know this is kind of weird, but I also don't know why, but otherwise it doesn't work. You have to write %s slash %s slash %s, then percentage over here, and then in tuples time dot, because this time is what we defined here, so you can name it whatever you want, and the day time, then the month, then the year time dot year, or you can define the month first, because where I live they define the day is defined first and then the month, but you can define the month first because in America the month is said first. So month and then day, and let's run that. Oh, error, date dot time object has no oh yeah, I misspelled month, sorry. Month. Okay, now let's run that. And you can see today's date, 11th 16th 2020. Now let's make Python only print the time. Print current time. So now it's not with slash, it's with double dots. So %s double dots %s 3 times, then a percentage sign outside the apostrophes, and then time dot hour, time dot minute, and time dot second. Now let's run that. F5. So today's date and time, 2020 11th 16th, and then 9:16 minutes and 32 seconds. Today's date, 11th 16th 2020. Current time, 9:16 minutes and 32 seconds. So it worked with no errors. If you want to see it bigger, let me configure idle to the original, apply. Okay, so now you can see it better and just copy it. So you successfully created your own small calendar. If you want to turn it into an app, which you can watch my other video on how to turn a Python file into an executable, and it's very simple. So thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed, please subscribe. Goodbye, and hopefully see you next time.